you're planning to move to Seattle, or if you want to see what you will get under 2000 per month rent here as a one bed, keep watching the video. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you all the tour of my apartment. So we live in Seattle, and the thought of doing it came like when I share the small things with my family and my friends. Like the differences are so fascinating between the houses in India or in Mumbai and here. So I wanted to share it with all of my friends who all have subscribed to my channel. So let's see. So let's start. So here is the entrance. You can just see it's just like a hotel lobby sort of. Once you enter, this is how it is. Once you enter, on your right side you will have a closet and a shoe rack like this. These are just shoes. You can keep your jackets, and these are like some stuff while going if you want to take something. So I keep some bags and some gloves and some scarves here. These are some jackets and shoes. So this is like necessary, and I like it that it's totally closed. So there's just once I entered, on my right side there was a closet, a shoe rack and a closet, and here on my left side there is this washroom. So here you have all the drawers where you can keep all your stuff. I'm not gonna like show all of that. I keep some of the stuffs here. Share the love. Okay, and here you have the bathtub where you can take bath. We have a bucket and a mug also. I use it sometime, and a toilet. This is how it is. Once we move from here, on my right here I have this mirror. I really liked it. It gives really vintage vibes, and it's gray. I really like it. And we have a dustbin here. So in houses and in towns, in small towns it's different. In apartments you can you have a garbage room below, so you can throw garbage whenever like it's full, once a day or twice a day, whatever. It's up to you how much you use it. And here comes our kitchen. So I feel this is the area in pandemic where we have spent most of our time, because you can't eat outside, you have to cook everything. So let's see. So this is the fridge. It's huge. That's how big. And so I don't like to hold on many things. So this is it. That's the fridge side. This is the freezer. And there's one cool thing, like you can take the ice cubes from here only. You just have to press this. Do you see it? So you can collect it. I'll just throw it. And here it is. I have a window in front. There's one more window. I'll just show it later on. Here I have like some stuff here, and everything is there in this racks. There are like many like this. So I keep all my utensils, the plates and everything here. It's like this. So this is the microwave. It's quite huge. And this is a glass top gas, which is electric, obviously induction. And this is a conventional oven, which is like this, which I don't use currently. So I've kept some of like Maggie and some stuff. Then there is one drawer which we use for keeping like potatoes, onions, garlic and all. So this is kind of like the standard setup which you will find in most of the homes, like microwave, then there will be a gas, then there will be a oven. So that's a. And here we have some fridge magnets, some photographs printed on magnets. This is like my board where I remember things and I write it down so that I don't forget. And there are many drawers, so in everything you'll find a lot of stuff. These are two basins, so we have two. And here in front, like I have a window, we'll go there. So on my right here we have a living room. This is it. That's a sofa, some cards, and a teapot table. Okay, before showing you ahead, now here in Seattle it's November, so it's 8 degrees and which feels like 5 or 6. So here we have like a centralized heater system which you can turn on and turn off and all. And apart from that, we have a different heater. I'll show you that. So when I saw it first time, I was really fascinated. See, this is how it looks when it's off, right? I'll show you. Once you turn it on, okay. See, this is how it looks. That's so cool, right? When I saw it for the first time, I was like, wow, it just gives you a effect of like some woods are getting burned, but that's just like the effect, and it's on electric only. And from these binds, you can see the heat. You can like the heat comes. Obviously, you can't see, but that's how it is. I really liked it. So you turn it on, and apart from this, there are other heaters which I'll show you. I'll just turn it off for now. Okay, and here's our TV, that's Xbox, and this is the cutest wooden little box which we got from India. I keep my earrings and all in that. This is just a teapot table, sofa, and here is another big window which obviously I can open, but you can open the binders also. That I have to go this side. Cool. So that's the view. So if you go down there, like just outside the building, you can see Space Needle. But we have like this apartment, so we have another window in bedroom. From there, due to the buildings, the view of Space Needle is blocked. But once you go down, it's there. So here is my photo gallery, which is like really empty. I have to fill it up, but we'll do it later. It's like you have to select photographs, print, and a lot of work. Okay, so now comes my favorite spot. I keep this chair here. I sit here most of the time, and this is the smallest and cutest balcony. As the weather is really, cold, you can't really keep the windows open. But I just sit here and I watch outside and I feel good. Let me show you the view. That is the best point. So I've opened the windows. You can see all the fall leaves. Oh, and there you go. You have ocean view there. So in summer you can see a lot of ships and small sailboats, everything here. It's pretty cool. And once you move from here, like here I have my chair, and in the front of it I have these bar tools. So these are like breakfast. This is the breakfast bar, and these are what I made from pista shells. Just fruit basket and some goggles and some keys are there in that also. So that's just it. And here this is the Diwali lighting which is still there. And this is our workout kind of an part of the house where we keep like mine is only the yoga mat and this workout ball, and these dumbbells and everything is my husband's. He works out with it, and that's Shanta. I call it Shadda, and it cleans the house. Sometimes actually it does half of the work and half of only we have to do it. So this is it. This is that corner. Then that's the kitchen from here, and I just shown you like the window in front. Let's move ahead. So now in front of the sofa, we have this. Here we have the laundry. That's the washer. So in India also we get automatic. So here we have a lot of laundry to do. This is laundry and this is the dryer. So that was also a different part that you have to wash it here and put it here, and it gets dried totally. So you don't have to put it anywhere to get it dry. That is cool. And here we have like the laundry bag and other stuff. Just kind of in storage. To the bedroom. Dun-dun-dun. Here it is. So once you enter, on my right side I have a closet. So on the right side, it's my side. Let's just open and see it. First of all, really sorry for the what condition it is in, but that's how it is. And this is my side. On left, it's his. So this is the kind of an organizer which we ordered and we assembled it. So let's just open it. Yeah. So this is his side. And on our left there is a water tank where the water gets heated and it gets supplied to the entire house. And here I have a mirror where I can get ready. This is the heater. Same like this you have in the hall, like in the living room also. The heater of temperature control is here, like in Fahrenheit. You can turn it on or you can close it. The photo frame, and I just like this dolphins from my birthday, so I didn't remove it. I was like, let it be, it's cute. And that's the workstation where he works. And here also there is a window. If I'm not gonna open it because you have like apartments there. Here we have a chest, and I have a small mandir or a temple. And here now it's like 4:30 and it's already dark. 4:30 p.m. I mean, and it's already dark. So here we have the same balcony as it was there in hall. So it's a tiny one, and it's cold. So you can see the balcony there. And that's the waterfront area there. This is how it looks in the night. That's the garage of that building. See, this is the garbage room. So when the garbage van comes, they have a key of all the building or some code, and they open it from here and it goes. So I don't know whether you can see it. Let me show you. This is how it is. Okay. And that's how it looks in night. Okay, it's getting chill here. So that's also the same. Here we have the night table, that's a lamp, and this is the book I'm trying to read, and I have not finished it, so I read it. That's my night serum. I sometimes apply it or not. So this is the bedroom area, which I feel is not bad, which is really spacious and it's good. So let's go back. So this was the house tour, guys. I hope you like it. It's like really simple, but I really like this place because it's really close to Space Needle. We have some beautiful parks here like Olympic Sculpture Park, Myrtle Edward Park. If it is possible to me, I will try to cover those parks to show you all. And the best part of this apartment is we have like the ocean view from that window, and I spend most of my time there. So okay, so that's it. If you want to watch more videos, subscribe to my channel. If you want to check some of my more videos, there are links above. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye bye.